Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is a square minus a cube equals 12. You have to find the value of a. For this purpose we will write this as a square minus a cube minus 12 equals 0. Now we can write 12 as equal minus 4 and minus 8. Now we will write this as a square by arranging this. A square minus 4 and minus a cube minus 8. Now this is equal 0. We will split this as a square minus 4 minus into a cube plus 8. Now a square can be write as square of a and 4 can be write as square of 2. And here a cube can be write as a cube plus 8 can be write as 2 cube. Now at this time we will recall two formulas. First of all, a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, a cube plus b cube, that equals a plus b into a square and minus ab plus b square. Now we will apply this formula here and get a minus 2 into a plus 2, and in this side we will have a plus 2 into a square minus ab means minus 2a plus b square means 4, and this equals 0. Now we can take a plus 2 as common, so remaining is a minus 2 and then we will have minus a square minus 2a plus 4 equals 0. Now we have a plus 2 into a minus 2, then this will be minus a square minus minus plus 2a and minus 4. Now we have two factor on this, like a plus 2 equals 0, which implies that a equals minus 2, and other factor is this will become, this is a plus 2 and this is minus a square, then 2a plus 3a minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So we have minus a square plus 3a minus 6 equals 0, and a square minus 3a plus 6 equals 0. Now we will make the factor of this. Then in this time we will apply the quadratic formula on this. So a square minus 3a plus 6 equals 0. That means a equals 1, b equal minus 3 and c equals 6. Now a equal minus b means plus 3 plus minus b square means 9 minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 of a. So 3 plus minus 9 minus 6 fours are 24. So our 2. So this is 3 plus minus 24 minus 9. It will be minus 15 iota. Minus 15. Then minus will be converted into iota. So minus 1 equal iota square divided by 2, then iota will be square will be cancelled out by this square root, and we have 3 plus minus iota square root 15 divided by 2. So this is the root. Now we will write the final answer here. So we have a equal minus 2 and a equal 3 plus iota square root 15 divided by 2, and a equal 3 minus iota square root 15 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.